chili plant is having plenty of fruits. You can see a lot of green chilies. As it is bright light outside, the view may not be that great because the sunlight is dimming the camera, I would say. Anyway, you may wonder why, with so many green fruits over there, all appearing mature, I am not harvesting them. Why? Simple reason is that I don't need them now, because only a few green chilies are needed for curry at home. So I am just keeping them to see what happens. So this is what happens. I'll show you. See? This one has fully ripened and is now a great red chili. Now I can pluck it and use it for drying. And once you dry them, you can keep it for a longer period. So as I don't need so many chilies today, I'll let all these great looking green chilies ripen, and after ripening I'll just pluck them and then I'll dry them and maybe keep it for future. That's how you get red chilies in the market. I'm not going to sell it anyway. So this chili I'm going to pluck. So this is a red chili harvest from a plant with several large number. I think maybe 25 or 30 green chilies would be there. I'm not harvesting any of them. I'll harvest them only when all of them are fully ripe and red like this. Before becoming red, they usually become an intermediate color. Not exactly red, not exactly brown. That's how they turn. Yesterday when I came and saw this red chili, it was not fully red. Some portion, somewhere here, it was brownish. So I was worried whether it was actually damaged chili or it is ripening. Earlier I had plucked some chilies which were brownish red. So now I know that the full red is occurring only when it is fully mature. So yesterday I waited and now the good result is there. The chili is fully red. If you allow all these chilies to grow like that, and if no insects are damaging them, that is the only trouble here. I hope chilies being so hot, we are not able to bite them directly. If you bite them, you have a tough time. So maybe I hope, even though I have seen a lot of insects damaging leaves, you can see these leaves are curling because some insects have probably laid eggs and then something is getting inside the leaves. That's what I presume. Or it could be a virus illness also. Ideally, when you see this and you see a healthy plant here, what you have to do is, that's what I am going to do now. So far I had not done that because I am very hesitant to pluck and throw away a plant. Initially I try giving sprays, neem oil spray or neem oil based sprays which have other components also. Some aromatic oils will be there. But today I have to take the last step because I am seeing that this is not changing. So what I am going to do is that, which I do not like to do, that is pull it out. I am pulling it out and then I'll have to throw it away. As the chili appears healthy, I'll just take the chili and then I'll have to discard it and get ready for another planting in this pot. Now I have one pot at least. I have removed that bad chili plant. I'll be planting something here. You can see a plant in here also. Superficially it is looking like chili plant. I just replanted it It's not a chili plant. It's a capsicum plant, which I had shown in an earlier live. This is being transplanted into a rainwater gutter. This is one form of recycling here. Earlier, this rainwater gutter had plenty of okra plants which grew well and fruited as well, but now they are not there. Instead, this time I have planted a few brinjal seeds, and they are also coming up, but not as expected. You can see some brinjal plants, seedlings I would say, coming up here as well, and plenty of weeds, much more than brinjal plants I would say. Weeds are much more than brinjal plants. I'll have to meticulously weed this, otherwise the brinjal plants all will be damaged. It is very difficult to find which are the brinjal plants. These are brinjal plants, and these two are also probably, the small one are also probably brinjal plants. So some 3 brinjal plants. I would have expected them to grow much more, because all of them were planted on the same day as this capsicum. Capsicum seeds were sown same day. Brinjal seeds also were sown. All of them were bought online, but nature has that difference. Sometimes some seeds grow well, some do not grow well. That's all in nature. Coming back to the original place from where I picked those capsicum, these are the 2, what I would say, capsicum nurseries where I had planted seeds, and I had thinned them today. Thinning means I didn't remove them, I planted them elsewhere. These are 2 pots which have only fewer number of plants, and I think I planted some here also. This is also another capsicum plant. I hope the new ones in a single, this is a grow bag in which bitter gourd was growing earlier. Now it is capsicum. In between I had put red amaranth. You can see some red twigs there. What happened was that red amaranth did not grow well. These red amaranth plants are surviving, but not up to the mark. This one is better. But when the leaves grow up, insects also grow up. That's what I have seen. Most of the time when I try to grow these, this is what happens. See, the leaves have been eaten away by insects. These are good leaves, but then after 2 days everything will be like this. So if I get a 10 centimeter long twig, then I will harvest them. That's what I do. Friends might ask why I harvest so early. It's because of insects. Insects will remove my leaves, plant leaves. So bye for now. We'll be back later, tomorrow or so, with another live stream. Bye.